Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got an inspiring wrap-up of the Liverpool FC women's team's season under the guidance of Matt Beard. It's been a season of undeniable progress, excitement and incredible support. So let's dive right into it. This season saw Liverpool FC women battling fiercely in the Barclays Women's Super League. And let me tell you, their journey has been nothing short of remarkable. From the outset, Beard and his team set their sights high. After finishing 7th last season, their goal was clear break into the top half of the table. But guess what? They've done more than just compete. They've excelled, pushing for a 4th place finish. And as they head into their final home game against Manchester United, the stakes couldn't be higher. Now, what really strikes a chord is how Beard praised the loyal supporters. He called them magnificent for their unwavering support, both home and away. It's this support that has fueled the team's motivation and success throughout the season. Imagine the energy, the cheers, the sheer passion. It's been a cornerstone of their journey. But it's not just about the support, it's also about the growth and potential of this young squad. Facing challenges head-on, learning from every match, every training session, they've not just met expectations, they've soared beyond them. It's this relentless pursuit of excellence that defines their season. As today's game could determine their final standing, the atmosphere is electric, filled with hope and determination. It's more than just a game, it's a testament to a season of hard work, grit and resilience. So as we reflect on this incredible season, it's clear that the Liverpool FC women are not just playing a game, they are inspiring a generation. Every tackle, every goal, every moment has been a step towards greatness. And that's what makes sport so powerful. It's not just about the scores, it's about the stories, the struggles, the triumphs. And Liverpool FC women, under Matt Beard's leadership, have given us a season to remember. Thanks for tuning in, folks. If you're inspired by this story of resilience and teamwork, hit that like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring stories. Here's to the power of sports, the power to unite, to inspire, to achieve. Catch you in the next video.